Are you seeing Zoom error code 10004 when trying to install, update, or launch Zoom? This error is often related to installation conflicts, permission problems, corrupted files, or network issues. The good news is that it's usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom error code 10004 in 2026. First, restart your computer and try opening or installing Zoom again. Temporary system conflicts can sometimes trigger error code 10004. Delete any old Zoom installation files and download the latest installer directly from the official Zoom website. Corrupted setup files are a common cause of installation errors. Right-click the Zoom installer or Zoom shortcut and select Run as administrator. This ensures Zoom has the necessary permissions to access required system files. Some antivirus programs and firewall settings may mistakenly block Zoom files. Temporarily review your security software and make sure Zoom is allowed. If Zoom was previously installed, uninstall it completely and remove any leftover files from your system before reinstalling. A stable internet connection is required for Zoom downloads and updates. Verify your network connection and try again if the error occurs during installation or updating. Make sure Windows or macOS is fully updated. Outdated system components can sometimes create compatibility issues that lead to error code 10004. And that's how to fix Zoom error code 10004 in 2026. By using a fresh installer, checking permissions, removing old files, and updating your system, you can solve this error in most cases. So follow these steps and get Zoom working properly again. Thanks for watching.